Hi guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We are performing memory management and the next topic in series is translation look aside buffer. What exactly translation look aside buffer is? For that we need to go one step beyond or rather one step prior. We have already done paging. Now considering we know paging, we know few things about it. We knew that in paging logical memory was divided into pages, that is, data was divided into pages, and the physical memory was divided in frames. Depending on the need and call, dynamically page would be loaded in an appropriate location or rather in available location in a physical memory. When we want to access any data, the sequence of that access would be very simple. CPU or user or the process would give a particular page number and the data. From that page number, one has to go through and access page table. Page table will simply provide you offset, that is the location where that particular page is being stored. And from there, one can access any data from the page. So we perform, or rather we technically know this as a lookup. So phenomena is something like this. Whenever someone wants to access certain info, that page number is given along with the offset. From the page number, one would search page table. Page table will give physical location, and from the physical address, when combined with the offset, we will get that particular page. So the process of performing lookup is very normal and it's going to be repetitive again and again, but this reduces performance because we are trying to map a logical memory address to a physical location. In order to handle this scenario or improve this scenario further, what we have is an option called translation look aside buffer. What is this translation look aside buffer? As you can see over here, TLB. Translation look aside buffer is a small buffered space. The basic use of this buffer is to act as a cache memory. Why cache memory? For one simple reason. The basic ideology behind this is whenever we are performing any page access, it will be first checked into TLB, that is translation look aside buffer. Suppose we are accessing page 1. It would remember to which frame it is being stored. Consider this way. We have series of page numbers and frame numbers available. We start with page 1, which is, let's say, stored in frame 3. So technically we know the address is gonna be 300. Similarly, next access was page 2, let's say, which was stored in frame 0 starting from 000 and so on. Later on, after a while, again somebody wanted page 1. Under that, first page 1 would be searched in TLB and would be found, and one will find out the offset needed, that is 300, which is directly added to the offset along with the distance or offset needed within the page, and access to P1 would be granted. Now this happened very soon without doing much of the lookup. People who may think, sir, there is a lookup even over here and even over here, for them, let me put it this way. TLB is a high speed, small sized buffer. High speed, small size buffer, which will be looked up very quickly, and if page found, then we will directly get the offset and access is granted. Suppose it doesn't happen, then what? Okay, in normal terms, when the CPU gives any page number, it is first search in a translation look aside buffer. If it is not found, then we technically call it TLB miss, that is translation look aside buffer miss. After which page table is looked up, location is found, updated, But at the same time, even TLB, even TLB will be updated with page info and frame info. As an end result, in next access, that page would be made available via the TLB itself. TLB does improve the performance to great extent and make lookup process very simple, but it comes at a cost because TLB would add up to the hardware cost because of the components used in TLB. Secondary, it requires again and again updates to that can cause some problem in some cases. Otherwise, TLB is a very nice way of improving performance of the paging, but at an extra cost. Well, that's it, what TLB is about. Thanks for watching this video, guys.